Good morning, children. Today we are going to read The Sparrows. This is a story about two sparrows and Rashmi. Let's see new words before reading the lesson. First is Pretty. Pretty. Pretty means cute, pyara. Pelmet. Pelmet. Pelmet is a wooden piece which is fitted just above the door or window to hide कर्टन रेल. पर्दा जो लगता है बच्चों, उसको छिपाने के लिए वहां पर एक वुडन पीस लकड़ी का एक लंबा जैसा लगा रहता है. तुम्हारे घर में भी होगा, तुम देख सकते हो. दैट इज कॉल्ड पेलमेट. WONDERFUL. वंडरफुल. वंडरफुल मीन्स मार्वेलस, कमाल का, बहुत अच्छा. SPARROW. स्पैरो. स्पैरो इज अ स्मॉल बर्ड जिसको हम लोग गोरैया भी बुलाते हैं. STRAWS. स्ट्रॉज. स्ट्रॉज मीन्स जो ड्राई स्ट्रॉ होता है, भूसा जो गाय खाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉज. स्ट्रॉ मीन्स पाइप भी होता है जिससे हम लोग कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते हैं. बट इन दिस लेसन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट स्ट्रॉ which is called bhusa. Occupy. OCCUPY. Occupy means छेकना, जगह लेना. SPREAD. Spread. Spread means फैलाना. Now let's start. This is a very nice lesson. You can see the picture. Let's read it. Cheep, cheep. The cry of the sparrows woke Rashmi up. The little girl lived in a big house. She had a pretty room, but the sparrows were trying to make a nest in her room. Every day her mother would sweep the dry straws from her room. They make your room look dirty, she would say. Look here, children. The cry of sparrows woke Rashmi up. Sparrows is crying cheep cheep, and Rashmi woke up by listening that cry. The little girl lived in a big house. Rashmi's house is very big. She had a pretty room, very nice room. But the sparrows were trying to make a nest in Rashmi's room. So the room became dirty every day. Every day her mother would sweep the dry straws from her room, dry straws of the nest, and said that they make your room look dirty. They are making your room dirty. But these straws are for their nest. Where will they lay their eggs? Rashmi used to cry. But Rashmi thought that these straws are for their nest, means they are making the nest from these straws, and if the straws her mother will sweep away, then where will the birds lay their eggs? But mother would not listen. Rashmi felt sorry for the sparrows. Rashmi was feeling sorry for sparrows every day because her mother swept all the dry straws away from the room. Then she had a wonderful idea. She had an old doll's house. The birds could make a nest in her old doll's house. Then she got an idea. उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. She had an old doll's house. एक पुराना डॉल्स हाउस था उसके पास. She thought that birds could make a nest in that doll's house. And so what she did? Rashmi cleaned the doll's house and put some grains on the floor of the doll's house. Okay, रश्मि ने उसे साफ करके उसमें कुछ grains डाल दिए in the floor of the doll's house. The hungry birds ate all the grains, but they did not make a nest in the doll's house. The hungry birds, what they did? They ate all the grains. सब कुछ खा लिया उन लोगों ने, लेकिन उन्होंने उस डॉल्स हाउस में अपना नेस्ट नहीं बनाया. They did not make a nest in the doll's house. The happy birds ate everything and made their nest on the pelmet. Again, they made their nest on the pelmet. Daily, mother would sweep the dry straws out, but the foolish birds did not occupy the doll's house. And every day, the same thing happens. Mother sweeps the dry straws out, but the foolish birds occupies only pelmet, not the doll's house. Rashmi put the dry straws in the doll's house and made a good nest for them. Then what Rashmi did? Rashmi herself put the dry straws in the doll's house. अपने से ही रश्मि ने dry straws रख दिए डॉल्स हाउस में और बर्ड्स के लिए एक अच्छा सा नेस्ट बनाया. But still the two sparrows slept on the pelmet. But she saw that two sparrows slept still on the pelmet. अभी भी pelmet पर ही सो रहे थे. One day one of the sparrows was heard by a naughty boy. One day what happened? A naughty boy heard the sparrow, one of the sparrow. Rashmi heard the loud cheep cheep. She picked up the hurt bird and put in the nest inside the doll's house. Rashmi picked that hurt bird and then she put that bird inside the doll's house. And soon she heard one more cheep cheep, means the companion, the partner of that sparrow came. He had joined her inside the doll's house and he had joined his partner, the second sparrow, inside the doll's house. After a few days, when Rashmi peeped into the nest, she saw 2 eggs in it. She jumped with joy and ran to call her mother. And what happened after a few days? Rashmi saw 2 eggs in the nest inside the doll's house. And she jumped with joy. She was very happy. She just ran to call her mother to see that eggs. Okay children, this was the story. Look, you can see the picture. Look at this picture. Very nice story. Hope you will like this story. Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.